Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Goyal and my subject name is Knowledge in Curriculum. The topic for today is Role of Apex Bodies in Providing Curriculum in Pedagogic Support to Teachers Within Schools, CIET. Central Institute of Educational Technology is a constituent unit of the National Council of Educational Research and Training and is an autonomous organization under the Ministry of HRD, Government of India. It was established in 1984 with the merger of the Center of Educational Technology and Department of Teaching Aids. Its chief aim is to promote educational technology, especially mass media, to extend educational opportunities and improve quality of educational processes at the school level. The institute undertakes activities to widen educational opportunities, promote equity, and improve quality of educational processes at school level. CIT conducts its activities and programs through its six divisions: Media Production Division, Planning and Research Division, Department of Information and Communication Technology, Training Division, Media Resources, Dissemination Division, and Engineering Division. Main objectives are to act as a nodal resource center for school education media software acquired through national, regional, and international sources for reference and research. To achieve excellence in design, research, and production of educational software for children and teachers, including parents. To contribute to teacher education through convergence of appropriate technologies. To build capacities of teachers, educators for quality improvement roles in school education. To constructively inform educational policymakers and to critically appraise educational technology policy in India. Some of the main functions are designing, developing, and disseminating alternative learning systems to deal with problems of education, orientation of educational planners, administrators to the concept of educational technology, training in specialized areas, radio, audio, television, and video production, and low cost teaching aids, production of audiovisual educational materials and other low cost aids, research and evaluation to test and improve systems, methods, and materials, extension services for supplying and screening of educational films, consultancy of educational technology and distance education programs, working as a coordinating agency with MHRD, state and international organization and UN agencies, etc. Its role in providing curriculum and pedagogic support is designing and fabricating media software, television, radio, film, graphics, and other programs for the transaction of curricular and co-curricular activities, generating competencies in development and use of educational software materials through training in areas like script development, media production, media communication, media research, technical operations, etc. Training faculty of institutes of advanced studies in education, colleges of teacher education, diet, and training in the use of educational technology in their teacher education programs, carrying out research, appraisal, and monitoring of system programs and materials, documenting and disseminating information materials and media programs, directing and coordinating the academic and technical program and activity of the SIET set up by MHRD. Thank you.